p.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday evening for the Panhandle in northwest Texas. The National Weather Service in Lubbock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Hale County in northwest Texas, the northern Lubbock County in northwest Texas, until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing large damaging hail up to golf ball size. This storm was located near shallow water, or 16 miles southwest of Abernathy, and moving east at 25 miles per hour. Some locations near the path of this storm include Texas Tech University, Lubbock International Airport, Abernathy, Idaho, and Petersburg. This storm has a history of producing damaging hail. Go inside a sturdy building and stay away from windows. Also, Doppler radar has detected organized rotation aloft with this thunderstorm. While not immediately likely, severe thunderstorms can produce tornadoes with little or no advance warning. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday evening for the Panhandle in northwest Texas. A severe thunderstorm warning